This is a proposal for adding drag and drop functionality to libmapper, which really just consists of adding a standard MIME type. But here's a little demo of it working using an experimental MIME type. So you can see here, I'm just dragging signals from this little browser in the top left onto the plotter. And when I drag the signal and drop it, the plotter creates a little map, creates a map from that signal to itself. And on the right, you can just see WebMapper reflecting the state of the network as those maps were created and destroyed. So our purpose would just be if there's UI-enabled libmapper devices running, then why not support drag and drop between these different UIs? I think it adds a lot of kind of streamlines some setup that you don't have to launch a separate UI like WebMapper in order to create these maps. Obviously, this would not allow us to edit the map. However, we had a little discussion during the workshop thinking about what it would mean to drag and drop a map. And we did have this concept that we could drag and drop a map onto a small property editor that would then allow you to edit the properties of that map. So currently the only one implemented is the middle one, which is the signal type. So I'm just using plain text since it also seemed desirable that you could just drop this into a text text editor and be able to see the device, see the name and the ID of the device in human readable form. And then I'm just prepending it with libmapper. It looks a little bit like a URL. As always, appreciate feedback on this format.